It is Regina from Pampered Soaps. I know we have been away for quite a while, but we are back. I hope everyone has been staying safe out there with the COVID-19 and everything, so I really hope that everyone is safe. I'm going to start our new batch of videos still every Tuesday. We'll still be posting once a week. So today I'm going to start with our Skin Firming Moisturizer. It's a daily facial moisturizer that's all herbal, so no toxins. And I'm going to show you guys how I make it. So here I have my oils already ready to go. Make sure you guys can see that. So I have my oils here. I have my water. And I always use distilled water, so this is my water. I have my stearic acid that goes in there. This is the lavender essential oil. This is the liquid glycerin that goes in. So I'm going to go ahead and pour these ingredients in there. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put the liquid glycerin in there. And I'm going to go ahead and put the stearic acid in. All right. I use aloe vera gel, which is great for the face. So I'm going to go ahead and put just a couple drops in there, like so. Before I add my water, I add my essential oils before I add the water. Now, for those of you that might not know the importance of using a daily moisturizer, it is good to use a moisturizer, especially if you have dry skin. So it provides moisture. It soothes irritated skin. So if you have something like acne or eczema, it definitely helps with that. And let me grab my spatula. I forgot something. Okay. And this particular mixture that I'm putting together is also good for mature skin. So if you're over the age of 40, like I am, it's great for those fine lines and wrinkles and to help tighten up the skin. So I added some licorice root oil. Licorice root is also good for hyperpigmentation, to kind of even out your skin tone. So I use that in here as well. All right, so let's go ahead and add our water. And then I'm just going to give it a light stir. Okay. And as you can see, it's very liquidy now. It takes about 10 or 15 minutes to blend everything together. It smells lovely though. You can see that on camera. So that's what it looks like. It's very liquidy. But it will thicken up and get creamy as we blend. So I have my wonderful stick blender, hand blender over here. So for those of you who follow my channel, you know I don't like to waste time and do mundane tasks. So I'm not going to mix this on camera because I know it's going to be noisy and I don't want to irritate anyone. So I'm going to pause the video, mix up the moisturizer, and I'll be right back. So just hang tight and we'll see you in a moment. Okay guys, welcome back. I am finished. Sorry about that. I am finished blending up everything now. So I'm just going to take this out. It's nice and creamy. Let me put this on the paper right here. All right, I'm going to just take my spatula if I need to mix it up a little bit. And then I will show you guys here what I'm working with. All right, I can usually get about 6 containers. The containers that we have are about 1.1 ounces. So I usually can get about 6 with this recipe. All right, so I'm going to show you guys on camera if you can see that. There it is. See, it's nice and creamy. Perfect. Not too thick and definitely not too light. Let me bring that closer for you guys so you can see. So that's what it looks like. It's white. I don't add any color, just a little bit of the lavender essential oil for the light fragrance, because lavender essential oil is good to soothe the skin as well. So that's why I put that in this particular one. All right. So remember, guys, if you like what you see, we do candle videos, herbal medicine videos, soap videos every Tuesday. So please like and subscribe if you'd like to see these every Tuesday. Also, you can find us on Pampered Soaps, so www.pamperedsoaps.com is the website, and we are really stoked to be back. I am glad that we are back and able to bring these videos to you guys again. So I know we've been gone a while, like I said before, but we'll continue to do our weekly videos for you guys. So until next week, guys, be blessed.